Kenzie is bursting to see birds.
Actually, I'm really bursting birds.
Okay,
Bursting to do something.
keep it. So let's just put it that way.
That's going in the video. Alright. Let's go.
Please do not eat it.
I don't know what that says in my Two beautiful green wings.
Oh,
Oh wow, that's big and beautiful.
this is our first macaws. What is this? Wow, look at this. Whoa, that is beautiful. That's a parrot.
Hi, Casey. Hello.
He's going,
Yeah.
look at these strange people.
It's like, what do you want?
Oh, he does what Callie does.
This is an Australian cockatoo.
They're so soft.
He's having a little nap.
They call it something different here. Red shoulder.
Oh, these are the ones I like.
So this is...
Are these those? Oh, that's all
He
we
looks
nearly
like a
bought.
little... No, we didn't nearly buy this. I thought they were bigger than that.
There's two different kinds, I believe.
Oh, okay. Oh, hello.
Hey, Rudy. Hey, Rudy. You're very talkative.
Mommy.
Hello. You said hello.
It's like one of the best parts.
Thank you.
It's a cockatoo's wing flip.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean it can't fly. Oh,
It won't be able to fly far. Probably just down.
okay, it is. Something good coming there. This needs a home. Trees around to get bark for these birds because it's constantly attacking the bark.
There'd be nothing left.
There'd be no tree, there's no wood left. We'd have no kitchen left.
We'd have no house. We'd have no walls.
No walls. It just I told you need to get me a branch.
Primo wasn't out before, but he is now.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
He's the oldest bird in this park, I think.
Is he?
Yeah, 41 or something.
What was that? You got something to say? Oh. It's a hard life. We're back. Oh, rude. Yeah. Kramer's talking now.
Kramer says, how are you doing? Peekaboo and good morning. Just say goodbye. Peekaboo. Goodbye. 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 Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Goodbye, Kramer. Goodbye, Kramer. Can you say goodbye? Goodbye. 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 Goodbye, Kramer. Yeah, goodbye. Can you say goodbye? Yeah, goodbye. Say goodbye, Kramer.